In this video, I would like to share to all of you about how to make wall partition with circular bench. First of all, you have to make a floor existing. Anyway, you can make a floor existing with any size as you want, and then you have to make a wall itself. You can make a wall right here. Okay, maybe you can make a wall right here. Then you have to push it up around 3000 millimeter. And anyway, you can enlarge your floor. Okay, this is the wall partition with any size of and any thickness. Then you can make circle right here. You can make a circle. Then you can choose. You can type on your keyboard by 100S and press enter to make it to make the circle more smooth than before. Okay, after that you can make a more, you can make it more wider than before. Then you can adjust this wide again around 500 until 600 millimeter. Okay, and after that you can make a circle again from the you can make a circle by red axis. Then you can just offset it inside to make a bench itself, to make a cushion itself. It's around 100 millimeter anyway. I'm sorry. You have to make a flat for bench anyway. You have to make a flat object for the bench. You can make it group and then just move it to the back. Okay, you can make it almost same the thickness of this wall partition. Okay, something like this, and then you can make a cushion for the bench itself anyway. Okay, the height is around 500 millimeter, and then you have to push it up around maybe just 80 millimeter, and then you can make a smooth on the corner of the bench with follow me by. Okay, and then you can do the same with a 2-point arc in here. Then you can select this and then select the follow me, and then you can see it, and after that you can adjust the circle object to make a more dynamic design. You can make a circle in this, okay, and in here anyway, to make a more dynamic. Okay, and then you can adjust the material by using a synthetic surface, and then you can use it. Then you can choose the dark color, and then you can just and then you can create the material to make a white cushion. You can type on yours. Okay, and then you select OK, then just adjust it for this, and you can adjust it by the RGB option. Then you have to move it to the left side for all. Then you can set the brightness from color wheel, and so you can cut it. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope you learn a lot about this simple thing, but I hope it will be advantage and benefit for all of you, and wait for my next video.